Welcome to Autotech, a new generation business idea which forms a pioneer establishment in automobile service industry with advanced and high-tech solutions. The idea of Autotech is global and can simply be adapted by everyone. Autotech trains to enhance the skills of individuals who wish to make their career in the automobile industry through the Skill India program. Autotech services will also give birth to many small and mid-scale industries in manufacturing accessories and spare parts. Today, the whole world is looking towards India as the fastest growing market in the automobile segment. Powered with the latest technologies, Autotech welcomes all the challenges from Indian and international automobile industry to provide top-class services. Autotech, multi-brand motor repair studio.
AT Oil New Generation Business Idea. Be a part of AT Oil as dealer, distributor and AT Oil Shopping Network. AT Oil generates 1 lakh employment and self-employment opportunities in rural and urban areas through 5,000 shopping network. AT Oil Earn and Learn scheme. Join your nearest AT Oil shopping. Urban and rural students can join AT Oil Earn and Learn scheme for their better future and make a career in automobile and lubricant industry.